Nung una, when it came out, late last year, about September, may lumabas doon, Aguirre. Of course, palagay ko ako na ngayon kasi wala namang high official ng Duterte administration, Aguirre. So, but I did not take it seriously kasi wala naman talaga akong kinalaman dyan sa war on drugs na yan, dyan sa EJK na yan. But when it again appeared in the website of the ICC, last Valentine's Day pa nga yan.
Uy, how timely.
Sa district pa, ang pagka-timing. So, sabi ko, mukhang seryoso na ito. So, I had to take this seriously. So, ang ginawa ko, I read the website and nakita ko doon na dalawa pala ang possible violations ko. First, in 2010, when I lawyered for President Duterte, when he was being accused by the Human Rights Commission, headed by Secretary de Lima. And during my time as Secretary of Justice in 2016 up to 2018. So sabi ko ganyan, paano naging crime na pala yung pagiging abogado ng isang dito sa Pilipinas, o at least sa ICC. Kasi dito ako, it's purely or absolutely confidential ang communications between lawyer and client.
Correct.
So nobody could examine me about this.